but let's pick the gratitude journal just for simplicity's sake. And, you can make all sorts of edits to the, to the entire document. You can change the font. I actually happen to prefer, for most things, the default font. You can change the cover image. No cover, we'll remove that. If you put the cover back, you can change the cover here. Let's pick an image. Here are some images I created using Midjourney for an NFT collection. And of course, you can change all of this as well. This has form fields, etc. If you're giving away something as a lead kind of generation device, or you're selling something, it matters not on Etsy, Gumroad, WooCommerce, Buy Me a Coffee, Lemon Squeezy. It doesn't matter. Shopify. This is really ideal for all those use cases. You can change the background. I mean, you can do all sorts of really cool and creative things, but we're just going to, in this case, export this to a PDF so you can see how quickly you can actually do this. Here are some extra options. You can change the font size. Really, what I like to do here is just take off or turn off the watermark so folks aren't seeing the made with craft that you can see right there. And again, it doesn't really matter, but if you're selling something professionally, obviously, you want to brand it to yourself, and you don't want to necessarily have crafts, logo on your documents. All right, you can choose to show page numbers or not. You can choose to hide the document title or not. None of these things really matter. You could, to me anyway, you can change the, the size of the document, but we're not going to do any of that. We're just going to export this to a PDF, and it's done. You now have a gratitude journal that you can offer your audience that literally took seconds to create. I would clean up the formatting just a little bit, remove this last page, but you can do all that within the application. And it takes mere seconds to modify, customize, and essentially, create a template that you can reuse for any other sort of journal or feedback device that you want to offer your audience. Okie doke. Hopefully this has been helpful. Again, our goal this year is to help as many people as possible teach tiny courses, create content, products, downloads, courses, all that sort of thing on a bootstrap budget. And certainly craft meets that threshold. It's really affordable, maybe $5-6 a month. We pay for it for the year for our small little business. So, I think it was $50 maybe for the year. And if you want to actually have custom domains, I think it's like $10 a month, or $100 or so for the year, which means you can publish websites to your own branded URL, which is really awesome. I've covered this in some other videos, so I recommend, if you're interested, checking those out as well. Teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.